Hi, hello everyone. We are unboxing the home theater. There we get this product by Amazon. 4.1 speaker Zeb-Shine. Specifications: output power 60 volts. Max supported 32 GB. Memory size USB MSD. Product dimension W into D into H. Satellite for 34.5 into 27 into 28 centimeters. Package dimension W into D into H. Net wealth 2.77 kgs. We get this product by Amazon. We are unboxing now. We go. This brand is ZEBRONICS. We get 4 mini speakers, 2, 3, 4. We get 1 mini speaker. Woofer. We get one remote and 3 connectors. This is the wood made box with black finish. This is the LED port. This is the volume, base, USB slot, SD slot, Alexin, stop, pass, previous, after, mute. This is the Uber. This is the back panel optional. This is the back panel optional. Connector slots, off and on button. This is the back panel. This is the antenna to connect to the TV. We are testing the subwoofers by connecting the connectors to the home theater. We are connecting the boxes. We are testing the bass sound. Now we are testing second sound. This is the bad thing in home theater. The remote is not working. The speakers is very low sound, very low quality and low sound.